Now, the reason why we do vital energy first is it bridges beyond the body faster than any other exercise. People will feel that very, very quickly. And when life force, the field of life force becomes available, that's what animates the mind, that's what animates the matrices, that's what animates our astral emotions, that's what animates the body. All life is regulated by that frequency. So as soon as a person gets this life force sensation, now they have the control lever for opening their own matrices further, saturating the mind in life force to make the mind stable, to concentrate and do other exercises, and so forth. So it's really the scepter of power for all the Hermetic type of work is understanding life force and being able to immerse the mind within it.